All right. Thank you very much, Emmanuel Tor, with the latest from the ground. That is Nairobi CBD. Quite teary right there. As you can see, a lot of tear gas moving around, protesters, law enforcers, the back and forth on matters Saba. But right now, of course, my name is Noki Kumboy. I need to get rid of this. There's normally a lot of professional concerns when somebody looks funny on air. This looks better. Ken, now I can say, yes, good afternoon, Mr. Ken, very official. We start with this interesting development where the National Assembly Committee on Energy was forced to send away Rabbi Power and Savo Power after they failed to reveal the shareholders of the companies. This during an inquiry on the high cost of power in the country. Jasmine Murani details.
Because most companies...
The inquiry into the high cost of power has been without intrigues as the committee continues to hear from independent power producers. This time round, the committee was all set to hear from Rabbi Power, with the committee having asked the company to file different documents to inform its work. However, before the session could fully kick off, it hit a snag after Rabbi Power failed to present documents relating to the ownership of the company.
Yesterday, as we spoke, our company secretary sent us an email requiring 2 of the shareholders to bring their certificate of incorporation so that the process can be completed.
Not all of us here, but some of us here own companies. And wherever we request for a CR12, we normally get it within 30 minutes we have it.
Linking is one of the requirements that when you have file returns nowadays, you must first of all be linked. So that means they have not been filing their returns.
The committee would then allude to dissimulation of information and intentional withholding of shareholders' identities.
You've been running this company since 2000, I think you said 8 or 6? So now, a fundamental question would be, why start to try to link, to do the linking, just the other day when we have asked you to appear before the committee? Why wait? Was it not necessary for you for all those years, or since the e-citizen platform was established? Why is it that you have not been interested in doing this kind of a thing until the moment when you've been asked to appear before this committee? Now, we are unable to proceed without this particular document.
Up next was Savo Power, who in similar fashion had also forgotten to bring the CR12, a document that shows all shareholders in a company.
And this is why I'm saying that I also didn't know that we can't present it, but it's something that I can get.
It will be better if we, through our clerk, we can do our own manual search at the register of companies.
Consequently, the 2 power producers were sent away and asked to submit the relevant documents by Wednesday next week, upon which the committee will provide a date for the IPPS to reappear. Jasmine Murani for KTN News.
All right, from Matters Power, let's talk data. The Kenya National Bureau of Statistics unveiled the 2022 report of the Kenya